and he eats it up. He can't get enough and just is so excited for the games.
Dad, Shane Hickman, is his kid's biggest cheerleader. He also coaches his son Ashton and fifth graders for Moapa Valley Youth Football. The Pirates are a club team for the Sun YFL League. His 11-year-old son Briggs also plays football and club baseball. CCSD fields are closed for games for now. That means the only way his kids can play other teams is driving up to Utah for games. Over there, sports are on for the fall. It's a much easier trek, about an hour for those who live at the tip of Clark County.
I mean, he gets so amped up for those games and so excited that it's hard. It would be hard to take him from that. The kids don't ever complain about the drive. If we went 5 hours, they wouldn't complain because the game means that much to them.
Families say the option to easily drive across state lines helps competitive high school athletes. The Nevada Interscholastic Activities Association, or NIAA, pushed back high school fall sports to February and condensed the season.
Well, we have quite a tradition of having kids go on to play at the next level. Your last chance to maybe get noticed, get that film, if you will, to send to colleges.
Moapa Valley High School Athletic Director Dallas Larson says he's revving up momentum for that shortened season, but understands some families have tough decisions to make now. Local athletes who stay busy with summer club leagues can choose to stay in clubs through fall, playing games in Utah. Others have even considered a bigger step. Should they move to Utah?
Sell your home in Nevada and then actually move to Utah to make that work. So when families ask me, I'm always, hey, it's your family. You got to do what's best for your family. For some, sports are a big part of that.
Fox 5 is on school watch for you. Social media resources for parents coming up at 10:30. And while we're not on air, we are always online. Just go to fox5vegas.com/news/education.